creating the perfect desktop Titan computer enclosure. Looking for an industrial PC enclosure for a desk, table, or countertop? The NEMA 12 IceStation Desktop TITAN is the perfect choice. The 14-gauge steel half-height Titan is a heavy-duty enclosure that will guard electronics against dust, dirt, grease, and light splashing fluids. Out of the box, the Desktop Titan computer cabinet features a 24-inch viewing window with tempered safety glass, adjustable monitor shelf with built-in VESA mount, integrated keyboard drawer with ergonomic wrist rest, and a sloped work surface for documents and pencils. Additional options are available to create the perfect desktop Titan. Bolt Down Pedestal. A Bolt Down Pedestal can create a standalone workstation for end users. The steel pedestal creates stability and is adjustable vertically to create a suitable height that will work for most workers. Mobile Pedestal. If the computer cabinet needs to be positioned in different locations, the desktop Titan can be fitted on a mobile pedestal. The pedestal is 11-gauge cold-rolled steel. The swivel casters have a 3.5-inch wheel diameter, and the front casters are lockable. ROX Cable Entry Gland. To run cables into the enclosure, a sealed cable entry gland can be installed. Cables can be routed through close-fitting modules, which will protect against water entry. The modules peel away like an onion to allow for varying cable diameters. Surge Protector. All desktop Titans require power. Adding a 6-outlet surge protector to the inside of the computer cabinet will enable a user to plug in up to 6 electronic units. A 10-foot power cord can also be installed. Thermal management. A filtered fan system, air conditioners, a heat exchanger, a vortex cooling unit, and various heaters can be added to the desktop Titan. The half-height Titan computer cabinet is available in blue, gray, or any custom RAL color. Still have questions? Contact ITS Enclosures at 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com or simply visit itsenclosures.com and click on the Video Gallery tab to see all of our product videos.